How to buy Grassito Sol token. So this token came under the symbol of Grassito. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on about this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 886 members there. So as you can see, this token, it's available on MEXC. You can buy it from your account. Now first of all, open your account on MEXC like that. Now if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down description and you will be able to find the referral link or create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, in the search bar, type like that Grassito, the token name, and you will be able to find this pair. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds, as you can see. Now click here and click on accept. Now here is the amount that you want to buy like that, as you can see. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paid of that USDT on your account. Now click on buy Grassito. In a few seconds, this token it will be added to your account. So this is how to buy Grassito token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.